HTML5 tutorials for beginners. Bold, underline, and emphasize tags. Let me grab this here and let me wrap that within strong tag. That is bold. Let me save this document, view on the browser. As you can see, it's a little bit larger. So now let's go and say underline this, and we can use U tag to underline that. Let's save the document, view in the browser, and we should have underline. So we're underlining text. And let's say this should be emphasized. And we can do that by using the M tag. But we're learning HTML5. That means when you want to highlight something to your website visitor who's going to interact with your web pages, something that you believe should be semantically a little bit different, as in a little bit more important compared to other elements, you can use strong tags to bold that text. If you want to underline certain elements, then you use underline tag, saying, you know what, this should be underlined. And if you'd like to emphasize certain content on your web pages, then that is when you use emphasize tag through the M tag. So now, semantically, this content block has many different words here, right? Although it is sample words, but I want you to understand why you would want to use these tags. You're saying to whoever is reading this, we're saying, you know what, this element compared to the rest is a little bit more important for you to notice and reason with. And then when we come to this point, you're saying, you know what, I'd like to underline that for your reason. And then we go and look at the emphasize tag. Let me refresh this page. And where is our emphasize tag? Is here. Makes sense? So it's the way people communicate. It's the language that we use as humans. Makes sense? Like if I say something a little bit louder, that could be reasoned as the strong tag. You see, these are absolutely important to understand when we're using these tags, or else why would we want to use them? And I'll talk with you in the next video session.